I'm Jocelyn McKenzie, and I'm a student that is interested in population health. I'm interested in looking at population trends and seeing how these things affect the American lifestyles and decisions that influence our population health outcomes. One thing we can look at is American diet. The American diet has changed over the last 100 years. American lifestyle has shifted from a agricultural society to a technological society, and these things are reflected in our meals. We have more fast food chains, we fry more foods, we have microwavable meals, and these things have increased the convenience of meal preparing, but it has reduced the nutritional quality of the foods that we're consuming, and our nutritional health has suffered. Dr. Victoria Drake from the Linus Pauling Institute on Micronutrient Research for Ultimate Health notes from her research, and quote, that many Americans are eating sufficient or excessive calories while at the same time not meeting daily intake recommendations for vitamins and essential minerals. Indeed, select micronutrient inadequacies are quite common in the U.S. A survey has found that 60% of the U.S. population do not meet intake recommendations from their diet and supplement use for vitamin E, magnesium, calcium, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, zinc, and vitamin D. So Dr. Drake is basically saying that the Americans have an imbalanced diet. We have shifted our diets from focusing more on quantity than actual quality. The micronutrient inadequacies that she mentions are found in fruits and vegetables. The American diet does not consist of fruits and vegetables. It has shifted more to a meats and potatoes type diet with fried foods and sweets. So here we see that our diet is imbalanced, and a balanced diet consists of both macronutrients and micronutrients. Although we need a small amount of micronutrients, it is still important that we receive that amount in our foods, and we're not receiving that according to Dr. Drake. This imbalance of macronutrients and micronutrients in our diet can lead to detrimental effects on our bodies. The overconsumption of the macronutrients can lead to chronic disease. This means that when we consume a large volume of our carbohydrates and our proteins and our fats, we can have chronic diseases that we haven't had before at an earlier age, such as obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. These things can come about due to what we're eating. These foods get into our body and they may put a strain on our normal body function, blocking our arteries and overworking our pancreas to lead to the diabetes, and moving the pressure in our blood to work overtime and increasing our blood pressure. So these things can be a reflection of what we're consuming or over-consuming in that sense to the macronutrients in our body, because they're blocking the normal flow of how your body functions. The underconsumption of micronutrients can lead to damage in your biology and your mental capabilities. Our micronutrients consist of our vitamins and our minerals. And our vitamins and our minerals are essential for our growth and our development and our hormonal growth, as well as our immune system. The top 3 vitamin deficiencies that occur, or micronutrient deficiencies that occur in the world today, according to the World Health Organization, is iodine, vitamin A, and iron deficiency. And these things are affecting children around the world at an alarming rate. And it's more important to have these things at a younger age, under the age of 5, when your growth and development is very essential to how you are becoming a productive adult. So with iodine deficiency, it can lead to brain damage. Iodine helps with our brain and our cognitive development. Vitamin A promotes vision as well as our immune system. So being vitamin A deficiency can lead to blindness. Your iron deficiency can lead to anemia, and your iron affects your motor and your cognitive development. So the World Health Organization is promoting supplements for your micronutrients because they are important. And another study by Dr. Ames has found that there may be a correlation between micronutrient deficiency that can lead to cancer, and that low levels of your vitamins and minerals in your body may actually mimic radiation and damage your DNA and cause mutations or other lesions, and that can later on develop into cancer. So when we're thinking about our diet, these two nutritional disorders can take a toll on our body. The consumption of macronutrients can affect our chronic disease development, and then our underconsumption of our micronutrient deficiency can cause disruption to our biological and our mental functions. So it's important that we have a balanced diet where we're consuming the appropriate amounts of carbohydrates and fats and minerals and proteins and our vitamins, so that our body can function and we can be productive people, because this affects our biological, physical, and mental functions. So those are the top nutritional disorders. There are other disorders, but they're affected more so with your mental state of how you view food and how you view your body image, and those are nutritional eating disorders. But these nutritional disorders I've just spoken of refers to the imbalanced diet that one may have. Thank you.